Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials: a router that supports VPN or a spare PC to share a VPN. Sign into your VPN account and note server locations for latency. Once done, log into your router's admin page and locate the VPN or Open VPN client section. If you're using a PC, prepare an Ethernet cable and enable internet connection sharing. Make sure to record the Xbox's IP address so you can reserve it later. This prevents address changes while you configure the VPN. You'll now input the VPN details, upload the providers, often file or paste credentials into the router client, then choose a nearby low-latency server for gaming. Once connected, change DNS to your VPN's DNS or a fast public resolver to avoid leaks. Enable the router-level kill switch or firewall option so the Xbox won't fall back to an unprotected route. After that, reserve the Xbox's IP and, if required for specific games, add port forwarding tied to that reserved address. Finish by rebooting your router and Xbox. Run the Xbox network test to confirm the console shows the VPN-assigned IP or expected region. You should test download speed and ping. If latency exceeds acceptable limits, switch to a closer server or a different tunneling protocol on the router. If connection fails, check the VPN client logs for authentication or handshake errors, verify DNS settings, and temporarily revert to the router's original DNS to isolate the issue. One troubleshooting tip: disable IP6 on the router to stop possible leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.